Let's draw Coach Pickles from Garten of BanBan. Start out with the eyes. I'll draw the pupils looking down. Come over here. We're going to draw the trunk going down. And then it curves to the left. And then curves to the right. Come up here. And we're going to follow this same line. And then we're going to connect it. And draw two little half circles. Come back up here. I'm going to draw the mouth. Curves around and goes behind the trunk. Draw a little tooth here. And one on the other side. Now we'll draw the head. And the shoulders. And then draw a line that comes down like this. About here, we're going to draw a line that curves down and comes back up to the other side. Then draw a line that kind of curves and goes down. Then we're going to draw the feet. And then the bottom isn't perfectly flat, but it kind of curves around to the other side. And then draw 3 little toes. Now come up here, we're going to draw the ear. Line comes out and goes up, then over. And then we're going to draw a line that hooks all the way down. Then come up here and we're going to draw a line that just goes down into the head. Now come down below the mouth and we're going to draw a line that curves down like an S shape. And then erase these lines. Then draw 3 fingers. And a little thumb behind. That's how you draw Coach Pickles from Garten of BanBan. Thanks so much for liking and subscribing. Be sure to check out the other drawing tutorials on the channel. See you in the next video.